and today we're going to be making a cardboard airplane. And these are the materials you need. And this is the plan I have. We're gonna do the straps. First, we're gonna stick one end on here and the other end on there, and the opposite for the other one. Now we're gonna cross it and stick the ends like this. How it should be. Keep folding it like this so you can put it around the circle more easily. Forgot to mention these materials in the beginning of the video. Everything ready. Now it's coloring time. After I'm finished coloring it, we're gonna assemble it together. Now it's time to assemble it. Now we're going to assemble the propeller together. This might be hard for you, so listen carefully. First, we're going to take the stick, put the rubber band trio, twist it, put it in, twist it, put it in, twist it, put it in. I think 3 times would be the best number for you. And then put the chopstick through the straw. This would be really hard, but if you can't do it, then get another rubber band or tie more knots. And we're gonna do the other side, which is taking the other stick and then putting it there. And we're gonna do it same, but only 2 times. Twist in, twist in, and then we're gonna do it differently. We're gonna pull this, twist it inside. Maybe just keep doing that. And this is how it should look. And now we're gonna connect this with the propeller. Put the stick in, and then pull the straw through, and then do the same with this. Pull the straw, and then I'm gonna stick this bottle cap on there. You can use a bottle cap, or you can use a cardboard circle. Turn this upside down, and then I'm gonna attach the wings. The wings fell off, so I'm gonna fix it, and my mom is gonna help me. I'm gonna stick this piece of cardboard underneath the wing so it gives good support. 2 pieces of cardboard on both of the wings underneath, like this. The airplane is ready! I made this airplane for my brother Corny, and he really enjoys it. And the reason why I put the straps on is because he can have a good grip and he can move around like that. And the straps look like a costume. Hope you like this. And I know you spotted this. I'm gonna teach you how to make this in my next video. Goodbye!